Welcome back, guys. It is officially day 11 of hunting for our dreams every single day. We are giving ourselves no excuses. No matter how tired you are, go and do the work. And when it gets tough, that's just a sign that you're going in the right direction, because no dreams are going to be easy to achieve. It comes down to what we do every single day. Some of you have put in the effort every single day, but still haven't seen any progress. But don't give up, because what we are changing is the future, and that takes time. And some of you may have not put in any work these past 11 days. But you do have a dream, and you've had this dream for the past 5 years. You've had this dream for the past 10 years. What is going to change if you don't change now? Every day we are being tested by the universe to see if we're truly worthy of our dream. We're going to be tested when we're tired. We're going to be tested when we're hurt. And it's going to tempt us with anything possible. But every single day, no matter how difficult it becomes, we will just do the work and prove ourselves worthy every single day. I took the day off tomorrow because I have a flight to catch at 9 p.m. I will be gone the entire weekend until Monday night. So tomorrow, I will put in 3 times the work and have a video up before I have to go. And every single day, I will be checking in. We made a commitment no matter what the universe throws at us. We are proving ourselves worthy every single day. Today we finished ripping out the last piece of wall and removed the rest of the old insulation that may contain asbestos. So we are full mask on, 3 air filters at full power, all windows open. Because what's the point of all this if we just end up catching lung disease? I'm so scared that it's -4 degrees Celsius outside and I still have all the windows open, freezing my butt off, but I'm proving to the universe that I really don't want lung disease. So we discovered, after tearing down this wall, that there were more studs that were cut and they are all load bearing. We also found out that electrical box is not really even attached to a stud, and found mouse droppings in the insulation. At a certain point I was just digging around for the old insulation to grab it out, and I was scared that I was going to grab a dead mouse. Here I'm just cutting a piece of insulation to cover the wall with the blue electrical box, because that box actually belongs to my neighbor and this is a shared wall. I'm just doing my best for now to cover the light and possibly sound that is going through there. Alright guys, so tomorrow we have the day off, but we have a long day because we need to make up for 3 days of work. I'm going to get myself to bed. You're going to see this in the morning. Prove yourselves worthy. Hunt down your dreams. No excuses. See you tomorrow.